Engage in physical activities. Do simple things that seem insignificant but adds up to your overall goal. If you want to lose belly fat, you should start making yourself more physically active. Simple tweaks in your lifestyle can surprisingly deliver significant results. For instance, you can walk to your office or back home instead of taking the cab. You can take the stairs instead of the escalator. Or perhaps you can play outside with your kids instead of just sitting all day and watching television. According to the American Council on Exercise, by walking 5 miles per day, you will be able to lose 1 pound of fat every week. With this, if you walk more or perform other physical activities, you will surely be able to burn more belly fat. Perform aerobic exercises. These forms of exercises are effective in burning fat. According to Physiology of Sport and Exercise by Jack H. Wilmore and David L. Kostel, doing aerobic exercises between 55 and 72% of your maximum heart rate is the most effective for fat burning because your body will shed the greatest percentage of energy from fat. If you want to burn belly fat fast, it is recommended to perform such exercises within this intensity for half an hour or a full hour at least 5 days per week. Some examples of aerobic exercises include walking, running, hiking, cycling, jogging, and swimming. Strength training. Aside from aerobic exercises, it is also important to perform strength training because it can build lean muscle tissue. Having more muscle tissue will help you perform your daily activities more effectively and boost your resting metabolism. This means that you will be able to burn more fat throughout the day. The recommended frequency of this type of training is 2 to 3 times per week, involving 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions of strength exercises that focus on all major muscle groups. Some exercises can target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including squats, push-ups, deadlifts, and pull-ups. Such exercises will enable you to burn more calories. Minimize your sugar intake. If you don't usually pay attention to the nutritional labels, you should probably start reading them carefully. Stay away from those with high sugar content and eat more whole foods that have no added artificial sweeteners and sugar. Drink plenty of water. The recommended volume of water that you should consume per day is at least 2 liters. If you can't stand drinking plain water, you can add sliced lemon or orange. Stay away from processed fruit juices because they have a high sugar content and can make you fatter. Meanwhile, water can flush out the toxins from your body and carry nutrients to the different cells of your body. Control the portions of food you eat. An effective strategy to control the food you eat is by using a salad plate that is around 7 inches in diameter. In this way, you can limit the portions of food you consume and trick your brain such that you won't think that you just ate a little. While there are cosmetic surgeries and supplements that you can take to have a slim body, diet and exercise are still the most effective ways to lose weight. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating balanced meals, and engaging in physical activities regularly, you will surely be able to burn belly fat and achieve your ideal body weight.